halos and an icon are done with gold leaf, and as I explained, the underlayment, the surface that it adheres to, is called the bowl, and it's that red clay that I showed in the last section. And this is what a book of gold will look like. This particular book is from Germany. There was someone actually in Sheboygan who was making gold leaf. I don't know if he still is, but anyway, I wanted to show how fine this gold is. I've said before that if you breathe on it, it could float away, and it truly is that fine. I'm breathing on it right now. And you can't touch it directly. It has to be, actually we use wax paper to transfer it onto a piece of wax paper, and then it's cut into small sections and applied in little pie-shaped wedges, and sometimes 2 or 3 layers deep to get that really burnished, really beautiful gold for the halo.